Okay, so when we look at these things, if you start at ternaries, it's a good place to start. So here's a ternary just here. The only thing hanging from there is that one there. So there would be a table. Draw, you stupid thing, like so. Okay, there's another ternary over here, but it's slightly different in that there are two things hanging from it. So make sure you include that as well. There's no more ternaries left. So now your next job is simply to go around and find stuff. So if we start over the left-hand side of this clump over here, which one seems to be the most important? C. So those two go to C. What about M? Does it go to C? No, it doesn't. So those will be in a table as a group. Okay, we move across. Okay, M has got at least one thing that's pretty interested in it. Any others? So R as well and A as well. B is a little bit different in that it wants to go the other way. So that's going to be a table by itself. So this bit here is a bit tricky to draw around, but if I rick up the middle of there, like so. We then look at this one. This is a very easy one to stuff up. So they're actually completely different tables. How do I know they're different tables? Okay. If obviously that thing was on that end, it would be a different story. But so P is more important than K, but N is more important than P. And then we come down this way. Both of those two like A. So there's another one. And then that's all we've got left. So if you just, as I did, start on the ternaries and then sort of work around after that. You probably ended up with something resembling that. So the order of them is not important as long as you underline the primary key. So if we look at this one here, L and C are the main two. Sorry, Jeremy, I'm being rude by talking. Looking at that one with those two, M, P and E up here, of course, and then the fairly basic ones. Probably the hardest one is this one with M here that's got different bits. But if you just look at those lines, the uniqueness constraints, you should be okay.